Alright, so I just signed up for Get Response or whatnot, right? You see I still got my free trial, 29 days to go. Whenever you sign up, you get 30 days free. So I was like, man, I'm just gonna instead of collecting all my emails and everything inside of ClickFunnels, I'm just gonna collect them in a Get Response, because I really like Get Response. Alright, got all these page templates and all this other stuff. Alright, but anyways, I was trying to integrate the Get Response with the ClickFunnels, and I was like, man, like, how the hell do I do that? So then I went to YouTube, looked at it and whatnot, and I mean, there's a bunch of them from like a couple years ago and all this stuff, but there ain't no, like up to date, so, yeah. Like to do that, you just come in here, integrations, add new integration, come on down, click on Get Response. So call this GR. And I was going around here and I'm like, man, how the hell do I find it? Like, where do I go to find it? 'Cause I need the API key, right? So I went on ahead, gotta click integrations, API. Alright, then you just click on generate API key. You can name your key to help you identify it. Okay, I'm gonna call it click funnel generate. I will be changing this, so yeah, actually I don't really see how that right there would even matter. Y'all would just send me leads and shit, so it's cool, go ahead and use it. Alright, just paste it in there, add integration, boom, Get Response connected. Awesome. Alright, that's the end of the video. I appreciate you watching. If you haven't already joined Get Response, I'm telling you, man, this is the best one. I've had AWeber, I've had all kinds of them. I've had a bunch of them. Alright, and this is literally my favorite one. Alright. But there's a free 30-day trial. I'll put the link down below in the description. Alright. Thank you for watching.